Proxies are essential for fast and efficient web scraping, as they help distribute requests across multiple IP addresses, preventing blocks or bans from target websites. IP Royal offers affordable and diverse proxy solutions, including static residential, rotating residential, and data center proxies. Their proxies are globally distributed across 150+ locations, ensuring access.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is another video tutorial. In this video, I will gonna explain to you, I will gonna present you my first web application that I developed in the Python Flask. So this is the social media automation. If I move to my YouTube channel, I changed the name. There is a video I have posted around last month. I've seen a very good response. Let me move to Creators Studio. Now you can see this is the video. Now it's posted on November 17, 2024. Now it was posted on November 17, 24, and this is December 17, 24. So there was a good post, very good response I've seen from my users. Overall, this video got 117 views and 3 comments. So, and now in this time, I will present you with a web application I have developed. So this is the web application. It is basically a portfolio project I have developed and designed for my clients because I recently started freelancing on FIVERR. So the thing is, I want to automate content on Instagram. There are a lot of every platforms for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, all platforms. But I will specifically target Instagram because there's some sort of work, some sort of, you can say, need of because there are a lot of errors in this system. But for the portfolio presentation, I want you that how this bot work. It's simply post content to your Instagram. So first, I'm gonna click on this checkbox. Instagram is say auto post, auto comment, and auto follow. And I'm gonna press this button is start automation. Now you will see start opening. It's redirect to Instagram, and it will do all the required stuff like posting, auto comment, and auto following. I have a complete system, but this is just a presentation to you that I was capable to developing apps in Python using Flask, Streamlit, and it was built in Flask framework. But inshallah, in future I will also develop the things in Streamlit, what was a great framework for data scientists. So it auto post, and now it's moved to auto comment. So it's working. Now it will auto
Ideas to life? Look no further. I specialize in web scraping with Python. Extract data effortlessly from any website. Lead generation. Find the right contacts to grow your business. Web app development. Build sleek and functional apps with Flask and Streamlit. GUI applications. Create user-friendly interfaces with PyQt5. With years of experience and a passion for delivering top-notch solutions, I'm here to make your projects a reality. Let's simplify your workflow, save you time, and unlock new opportunities for growth. Ready to get started? Hire me exclusively on FIVERR, and let's create something incredible together. My services are exclusively available on FIVERR, thanks.